Most hockey players don't realize that limited hip mobility, especially on one side, usually comes from a lack of external rotation, which will directly affect your stride, your edges, and your ability to stay low. When you struggle to get into a position like this, what you're feeling is a lack of external rotation. That's the angle that your hip needs to do a clean, controlled pivot and a strong, stable stride. Muscles that drive this rotation are the glutes, which are on the back side of the pelvis, which are the key to getting this rotation back. So here's an easy drill to restore it and make your skating mechanics smoother, stronger, and more symmetrical. This is how you do the exercise. You're going to drop into this position. The back thigh is going to be in alignment with the shoulder. The front leg is going to point straight. With the front leg, you can bend the knee forwards or backwards, whatever is comfortable. Both hands are going to be placed right in front of you, and you're going to keep your chest tall and forwards. What you want to feel in this position is the front leg is making contact with the ground with the outside of the thigh and the outside of the knee. You're going to shift your body forwards until you feel the front leg having more pressure in the glute and in the thigh. For some, pressing the 2 points of the glute and the knee down into the ground is enough to better your external rotation of that hip. If you want to get even more external rotation, what you do is you gently lift off the back of the thigh off the ground, still keeping that knee contact. You're going to keep the thigh off the ground for about 3 seconds, and then you're going to slowly lower the thigh back down until you make both contacts again with the knee and the back of the thigh. You want to do about 10 repetitions of this exercise to get the most benefit. And if you do want to make it deeper, you can definitely lift that front thigh off the ground. You just want to make sure that it's slow and controlled, and you're going to pause up in the air for about 3 seconds.